Stripe prefers the Miller cat blanket to the big fluffy blanket, I guess. I've been in the house a little longer than normal this morning, waiting for the rain to stop. It started sometime overnight, and we've gotten a decent amount. It's wet under the trees. I did not actually look to see how much we've had, but it's wet under the trees, so yes, let me not keep you waiting. Here you go. Happy to see that you're nice and dry up here on the platform. Good boy, Morris. Good boy. Let me push this back in. So I don't think it's going to rain anymore, but in case it does, we don't want the dry chow up here to get wet. The chickens will be mad if I don't put some over here. So they weren't loud this morning, but I did look out the window and see them. So let's not make them mad. Make them get loud. Fuss. It's, probably around 60 out here. 60, 65. It's not super cold. And it still looks like fall. Bunch of wet, yucky leaves now. I see this maple lost most of its leaves down here on the bench yesterday. That's all right. I'll get them off of there. And this is now have red leaves, some red leaves on the ground. I think I'm going to be depressed when all this pretty color stops. It's hard in the winter. February is such a dull month in particular. Oh, Fireball is looking a gorgeous red this morning. You want to come out? You can come. Come on though, hurry. I don't like leaving the door open. Come on out. Come on. Not leaving it out open a super long time, bud. You gotta learn to be quicker. I don't think we're gonna get any more rain. I think it's down east now, as they say. It's past us. Yeah, look at this. I guess it would lose its specialness if it looked like this the entire year, huh? But it sure does look nice right now, especially for a little $15 tree I bought from a lady off the side of the road at a little gas station over by Yates Mill. It's a rootstock Japanese maple, which means it's what they graft the cultivars to. And sometimes these trees have the nicest shape and the prettiest color, and you gotta ask yourself, why don't I have more of these? It's really pretty. I'm hoping now, seriously, that this one over here is going to become similar, although it's not looking as red. And that's what I love about this one. If it's going to be orange and kind of boring, well, I'll probably move it. Too prominent a spot for boring. So the birds don't really seem to like the bowl. But if there's water around the bowl, they like it. And I guess it's really not letting the water through to the bird bath. It really is waterproof. So I don't know. Maybe I just take the bowl out and let the bird bath have water on top of the tarp thing. It's a little too expensive to only want it to last a year. But, replace it every 5 years would be reasonable, maybe. I don't know. I'm debating what to do about the bird bath to make the birds happy. Right now, there's not much frozen and they have lots of options for water, but going into the winter, that won't be the case, and I need to make an informed decision. Of course, the whole point was sort of, well, don't let the bird bath break in half because water got in the cracks, but, and then froze, but it was really so I can swap it out and keep it ice-free, and if it's on the tarp, I'm not going to be able to do that. They'll have to wait for the sun to melt it, and then I can't clean it as good. Well, I can clean it in between, warm times. I don't know. I'm first winter trying it, and I'm sorting it out. It's Friday. We're here. Don's got his Eaterville shirt on.
That's right.
Tractor. Maybe next year. Well, here you go, Donnie.
Yes, ma'am. Woo! Look at that.
We're back from the gym, and then we're going to head to the landfill, but I figured I'd feed us first.
Always a good idea.
And then we decided when we get back, we're going to hold each other accountable.
And we're actually going to finish our little task.
Yeah, I need to go up in the attic and do stuff, and Don needs to go back to his office for a bit.
Do a little.
So if neither one of us piles up, then we can both be productive. We decided we would, yeah. So we're in the GMC, headed to the landfill, and we need eggs from Mr. Ball, and Mr. Ball should have pecans now. He's been out, and they're continuing to grade the land here for the new Publix. Going in next to us, Bob Barker in the background there. Not the Bob Barker, but the Prison Supply Company is what they do. All kinds of things that they supply prisons with.
Yeah.
Been in Fuquay for forever. It's kind of a, I guess, a niche business.
Yeah.
And we haven't had any rain since this morning, really. It's just kind of not really cleared up either. There's plenty of people here, but not super duper crowded. Don got to park right away, and he's almost done out there. I always offer to get out, and he always tells me no. Well, Mr. Ball's got a traffic jam, and one of them is a wrapped Tesla. They have a special plate. I can't quite something. MGVILT. I can't quite tell.
It's North Carolina.
I know. It's a special plate, though. We'll have to check it out.
Tell them our other two cars are a Tesla.
So MG for a special plate in North Carolina is Master Gardener.
Oh.
And so I didn't talk to her about that, but she was there to buy collards. She cooks them in the Instant Pot. She's from Pennsylvania, but she has learned how to cook them. I told her only way I'll eat greens is if someone from North Carolina that uses fat back and knows what they're doing cooks them, because that's not me. I've never cooked them, not once in my life, but I've ate them, you know, a little bit here or there. I can't say that I have any. I don't have strong feelings one way or the other, but since Dawn doesn't let me cook vegetables, no, seriously, if I was going to cook some vegetables, they just wouldn't be first on my list. We'd be having broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. So, but Dawn prefers no vegetables, so we're going left, I take it, huh? Waiting here to go left. It doesn't matter which way we go. I mean, I don't care. Anyway, she was a really nice lady. Yeah, you're not in the Tesla. She was really nice, and she says it's probably her last car, and she's going to have it exactly how she wanted it, and that's why she got it wrapped. And I didn't ask her if she loved it, but I could tell that she was enthusiastic about her Tesla, so that was good. And she's, like I said, she was an older lady, so, but she's having her Thanksgiving tomorrow. You can learn a lot about a person in a few minutes of conversation. And you know me, I'll start a conversation with pretty much darn near anybody. Yeah. It helps if they have a Tesla, but that's not a prerequisite. I'm up here in the attic. I'm showing you the organization of some of the kids' elementary school books that I still have. There's a few of these bins. I am up here to organize and make safe, putting away Thanksgiving and getting out Christmas. And I'm going to spend at least 2 hours up here, and I get done what I get done. And I have Midnight Big Boy up here with me. He likes to hang out.